Hello students, all of you are familiar with this term differentiation. Okay, in 11th standard we have studied differentiation. Okay, now in this video we are going to revise basic formula and concept of differentiation. Okay, now if function is denoted by y, then derivative of function can be written as d by dx of y, means dy by dx. Differentiation is also known as derivative, okay, and which is denoted by d by dx of given term, okay, and d by dx of y means differentiate y with respect to x. D by dx means with respect to x, okay. Here function is y, variable is x, then we can say that differentiate y with respect to x. Suppose if function is in form of f of x, okay, then d by dx of f of x can be written as f dash of x. Means derivative of f of x is denoted by f dash of x, and derivative of y is denoted by dy by dx. Okay, now look here. Derivative of x raised to n. Derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. Okay, in simple, suppose derivative of x raised to 7. Here value of n is 7. Okay, then derivative of x raised to 7 is take 7. Then derivative of x raised to 7 can be written as 7 into x raised to 7 minus 1, which is equal to 7 into x raised to 6. Okay, now derivative of x, okay, derivative of x is 1. Then do you know here power of x is 1, then d by dx of x and power is 1, then derivative of x to the power 1 can be written as 1 into x raised to power minus 1, means 1 minus 1. Then here 1 into x become x and 1 minus 1 becomes 0, then x raised to 0 equal to 1. That's why derivative of x is equal to 1. Now next one, derivative of 1 upon x. Derivative of 1 upon x, first of all take this x in numerator, then this can be written as d by dx of x raised to minus 1. Okay, why x raised to minus 1? Because power of x is 1. When we take this x from denominator to numerator, then power becomes negative. Okay, then apply here same formula, then derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Okay, look here, d by dx of x raised to minus 1. Okay, minus 1 into x raised to, apply here formula of x raised to n, then minus 1 into x raised to minus 1 minus 1, then this become minus x into minus x into minus 2. Okay, here power is negative and term is in numerator, then this term can be written as minus 1 upon x square. When you take this term in denominator, then power becomes positive. Then x raised to minus 2 become 1 upon x square, and this minus is as it is. Okay, then derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Okay, next one. In similar way, derivative of 1 upon x raised to n is minus 1 upon, derivative of 1 upon x raised to n is minus n upon x raised to n plus 1. Okay, derivative of 1 upon x raised to is minus n upon x raised to n plus 1. Look here, derivative of 1 upon x to the power 5. How to find derivative of 1 upon x raised to power 5? First take this x raised to 5 in numerator, then this become d by dx of x raised to minus 5. Okay, power becomes negative. Then derivative of, then apply here formula of x raised to n. Here value of n is minus 5. Okay, then derivative of x raised to minus 5 become minus 5 into x raised to minus 5 minus 1. Okay, this is equal to minus 5 into minus 5 minus 1 become minus 6. Okay, then here power is negative, then take this term in denominator, then this can be written as minus 5 upon x raised to 6. Okay, then when derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square, derivative of 1 upon x raised to n is minus n upon x raised to n plus 1. Okay, now next on derivative of root x. Derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Okay, look here, root x means x raised to power half. Root x means x raised to power half. Okay, then apply here formula of x raised to n. Here value of n is 1 upon half. Then take this half into x raised to 1 upon 2 minus 1. Okay, then this become 1 upon 2 into x raised to half minus 1 become half minus 1 become minus half. Okay, here power is negative, then this can be written as 1 upon 2 x raised to half. If power is negative, then take this term in denominator, then x raised to minus half can be written as 1 upon x raised to half, and all of you know that 1 upon 2 into x raised to half means root x. Then derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Okay, now next one. Before this, here find derivative of k. K means any constant term. K means any constant term. Derivative of any constant term is 0. Okay, then derivative of 1 is also constant term, then derivative of constant term is 0, then derivative of 1 is also 0. Okay, now next one. Suppose scalar multiple of x, then how to find derivative of k into x? Means if x is multiplied with any scalar term, then how to find derivative of such type of terms? Then derivative of k into x, then take k outside derivative, then first constant into derivative of variable which is x, then constant into derivative of x. We know that derivative of x is 1. Okay, then k into 1 which is equal to k. Look here, derivative of phi x. Okay, here phi is constant, then this can be written as phi into derivative of x. Okay, then phi into derivative of x is 1, then this is phi into 1 which is equal to phi. Next one, derivative of logarithmic term, then derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Okay, next one, derivative of exponential term, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, no changes. Okay, and derivative of a raised to x is derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x. First write down whole term as it is into log of a. Okay, now look here, how to find derivative of a raised to x. Then we know that derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a. Suppose d by dx of phi raised to x. Okay, here value of phi is a, sorry, here value of a is phi. Okay, then derivative of phi raised to x is, first write down whole term as it is, then phi raised to x into log a equal to phi, then this become log phi. In similar way, derivative of 7 raised to x. Okay, here value of a is 7, then first write down whole term as it is, 7 raised to x into log 7. Okay, now look here, derivative of trigonometric function. Okay, all of you are familiar with all the formulas. Okay, then we know that derivative of sin x is cos x. Okay, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, derivative of tan x is sec square x. Okay, derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. Derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. Okay, and derivative of cosec x, derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. Okay, now next one is algebra of derivative, means how to find derivative of more than two terms. Look here, first one, suppose if there are two terms having plus and minus in between them, then derivative of this term. Okay, here differentiate y with respect to x. Okay, then dy dx of y, then dy dx of u plus minus v. Okay, now look here, suppose if there are two terms separated with plus and minus, then in such type of case you can find separate derivative. Then first derivative of first term, write down whatever you have plus or minus, and then write down derivative of second term. Okay, suppose y equal to x plus log x. Okay, both are, then dy upon dx is dy dx of x plus log x. Okay, then in this question we have two terms x and log x. Okay, and in between them we have plus sign. Okay, then derivative of x plus log x can be written as derivative of x plus derivative of log x. Okay, then derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Now next one, suppose if how to find derivative of two terms having multiplication, sign of multiplication between them. Okay, then this is known as product rule. Okay, or u into v formula. Then if y equal to u into v, then how to find derivative of u into v? Okay, then d by dx of u into v can be written as, write down first term into derivative of second term plus second term into derivative of first term. Okay, first term into second term, then derivative of first term into second term can be written as first term into derivative of second term plus second term into derivative of first term. Look here, one example, derivative of x into log x. Okay, here first term is x and second term is log x. Okay, then first term as it is into derivative of second term which is log x, then plus write down second term as it is, okay, which is log x into derivative of first term which is x. Okay, then x into derivative of this log x is 1 upon x plus, okay, log x as it is, then derivative of x is 1, here x and x get cancelled, log x into 1 become 1, here remaining part is 1 plus log x, 1 plus log x. Okay, now look here, division rule means numerator upon denominator case. Okay, then d by dx of numerator upon denominator can be written as, first write down denominator as it is into derivative of numerator, then minus, okay, and numerator into derivative of denominator, okay, whole divided by denominator square. Okay, then in division rule, if we have numerator upon denominator, means if you have fraction, then derivative of numerator upon denominator can be written as denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator whole term divided by denominator square. See one example. Okay, then suppose y equal to x upon log x. Okay, then d by dx, dy upon dx equal to d by dx of x upon log x. Okay, here x is in numerator and log x is in denominator. Okay, then by formula, first write down denominator which is log x into derivative of numerator which is x, then minus into numerator which is x, write down x here, x into derivative of denominator which is log x. Okay, and whole term divided by denominator square which is log x square of log x. Okay, then log x as it is, log x into derivative of x is 1 minus x as it is into derivative of log x is 1 upon x whole divided by log x whole square. Okay, log x into 1 become log x, x it cancel, then minus 1 upon whole divided by log x whole square. Okay,